Hi everyone, this is Zach Zardo, and I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to add a poll from Poll Everywhere onto Canvas. And so let me go ahead and show you how to first start after you logged in to create a poll. I'm just going to go to My Polls, and I could duplicate one of these polls, but just to actually show you how to create one and how easy it is, I'm going to go ahead and start one from scratch. So I always like to start at examples because this gives me a great idea to show, to at least identify what I want to do. Sometimes you think you want to do just like a bar graph or something like that, but then you'll find a couple of other features here that are nice. So let's use the donut chart. In this case, the template's already here. You're just going to type over the question. So let's go with, what is your favorite activity in this course? So let's just say the discussions. This is the first option. The readings, the tests, exams. Yeah, right. I'm sure many students will not choose this one, but hey, some may enjoy it. And the simulations in Connect or the team assignments. Okay, so once we've added those choices, we are going to go ahead and create. And voila, your poll has been created. Now we're going to have to put a couple of final touches to it, and I'll show you where to start on that. So I like to start with how people can respond. Because this is an online course, I take the text messaging off, but you can leave it on. And then the next piece of information that is going to be important is on the presenting piece of it, is how are you going to present this to your class. Now you can present it via a link, or you can present it via embedding into an announcement, which is what we want to do today. So I'm going to show you how to choose the embed. And you'll need the embed code here. Copy it. Go into Canvas. This is one of my test courses. I'm going to go into announcements. I'm going to create an announcement just for test poll. And I like to do an introduction on mine here, but just for the sake of time, I'm not going to do it for this assignment, for this video. I'm going to go ahead and go into the HTML editor, and I'm going to embed the code. Control V. A couple things I wanted to show you is if you leave the embedding code the way it is, I want to show you what it looks like. The survey is very hard to read, very small. So let's go back to the HTML editor. You'll have to take these pixel percentages and change them to, I found 800 to 600 is the two values that tend to work best for me. But again, it also depends on what is the size of your questions, etc., the layout of it. So again, as you can see that I changed it from a percentage to a normal numeric value. And this section here is the code for pixels. And there are converters out there on the internet to show you what size 800 and 600 would look like on a screen. But just let me show you what that looks like by changing that. So if I had an introduction, it would be on top, and on the bottom, it would show you my survey. Okay, so before I save the survey, I'm going to go ahead and go back to the survey, and I just remember that I never activated it. You always have to activate the survey. So once it's active, I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to save this. So now your students will see this page here when they log in. And so you can click here, they'll be able to click there, they'll see the announcement and they'll see the questions and they'll see the options. And for me, let's just say I chose simulations and connect are my favorite parts of the course. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And as you can see, as soon as I click it, this is real time. The changes will happen right away. Okay. So let me know if you have any questions so far on this so that I could answer them. I wanted to show you one more last thing before I stop though. Here's what the size that we chose will show up like on the phone. So this is an image of a screenshot of a phone. So you can go a little bit smaller if you want the topics to show up here, or the student can scroll. But as you can see, it's a good size on the device where students can see it. Hope you liked the video. Hope you use Pull Everywhere and embedding polls into your courses. I think it's a great tool. I get a really good response from students, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.